Hi, I'm Akmakjian, jewelry expert at BriteCo, and today we're talking about something so many people get wrong: restoring gold-plated jewelry. Because here's the thing, gold-plated jewelry can look beautiful, but it is not the same as solid gold. It has a thin layer of gold over another base metal, which means the wrong cleaning method can actually remove the finish faster. Today I'll walk you through what you can do at home and what you should avoid, and when it's time to take your piece into a professional jeweler. First, let's start with the safest at-home cleaning method. You'll need a soft microfiber cloth, a small bowl of warm water, and just a few drops of a mild dish soap. And that's it. Gently wipe the jewelry with the cloth to remove oils, dust, and buildup. If the piece needs a little more attention, dip the cloth or cotton swab into the soapy water and carefully clean the surface. Don't scrub aggressively, and don't soak for a long time, especially if the piece has glued in stones, pearls, or delicate details. And don't use a hard toothbrush or anything scratchy. After cleaning, wipe it with a damp cloth to remove any soap residue, then dry it completely with a soft, lint-free cloth. Moisture is one of the biggest enemies of gold-plated jewelry, so never put it away wet. Now let's talk about the part everyone wants to know. Can you restore gold-plated jewelry once the gold starts wearing off? The honest answer is, it depends. If your piece is just dull from oils, lotion, sunscreen, or everyday buildup, a gentle cleaning can make a huge difference. But if the plating has actually worn away and you can see the base metal underneath, cleaning won't bring that gold layer back. At that point, the real fix is a professional replating. A jeweler can apply a new layer of gold to the piece, which is usually the best options for sentimental pieces or jewelry you wear often. So if your favorite necklace, bracelet, or pair of earrings has worn spots, don't keep scrubbing. That can actually make the damage worse. Take it to a trusted jeweler and ask whether replating makes sense for this piece. The best way to restore gold-plated jewelry is to prevent damage in the first place. So here are a few easy habits that can help your pieces last longer. Take gold-plated jewelry off before showering, swimming, working out, or applying perfume, lotion, hairspray, or sunscreen. Those everyday products can speed up tarnishing and wear. Also store each piece separately. A soft pouch or lined jewelry box is ideal because it helps prevent scratches from other jewelry. And after you wear a piece, give it a quick wipe with a soft cloth before putting it away. That removes oils and residue before they build up. Think of gold-plated jewelry as more delicate than solid gold, and it can absolutely stay beautiful, but it just needs a little extra care. Here's one more important thing. Not every jewelry issue is a cleaning issue. If a chain breaks, a stone loosens, a clasp stops working, or plating wears off of a meaningful piece, that's when professional help matters. And for jewelry that's valuable or sentimental, it's also a reminder to think beyond cleaning. At BriteCo, we help people protect their jewelry they love with fast, easy jewelry insurance. You can get a quote in about 60 seconds, and it's designed to help protect pieces like engagement rings, fine jewelry, and other treasured items from life's unexpected moments. So if you have jewelry you would be heartbroken to lose, damage, or have stolen, take a minute to check your coverage. Thanks for watching, and if you have a gold-plated piece you're trying to save, drop your question in the comments below. Follow BriteCo for more jewelry care tips, insurance advice, and expert answers.